Good morning, candidates. 8 persons A to H, a reasoning problem, were born but not necessarily in the same order on two different dates, that is either 5th or 20 in four different months, April, May, July, and September. F was born just before H on odd date in a month having odd days. The number of persons were born after F is the same as the number of persons born after D. E was born just after G, who was born 2 persons after A. 2 persons after A. So actually, this has to be born as a, say we have to draw the details. The month of April, 5th and 20th, May, 5th and 20th, July, 5th and 20th, September, 5th and 20th. So like that, once you do like that, you will get a picture like this. You will get a picture like this, where, you know, you will draw all the other conditions will be satisfied. But one condition, say this, it will be drawn like this, but one condition will not be fulfilled, namely, he was born just after G, who was born 2 persons after A, who was born 2 persons after A. That could not be fulfilled with this. All other conditions are fulfilled when you take F to be born in on 5th of May. But once you take him as 5th of, say 5th of July, if you take, it is not coming correctly. If you take 5th of May, this is the diagram that will come. All the conditions will be fulfilled. That is, what are the conditions that are getting fulfilled? F was born just before H on odd date in a month having odd days. F is born just before H in an odd month having odd days. He was born on 5th, odd days 31, May month 31 days. The number of persons born after F is the same number of persons born before D. That is, after F, 1, 2, 3. After F, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, when you put D in this position, you get 5 people before him. Then E was born just after G, who was born after 2 persons after A. 2 persons after A. E was born just after G. So this is correct. And after 2 persons after A. 2 persons. He was born after G, who was born 2 persons after A. G is born 2 persons. It is given as only one. Who was born 2 persons after A, or maybe who was born he was born just after G, was born 2 persons after A. I think this should be altered as G was born 1 person after A. It should be 1 person after A. Yeah. So once that condition is fulfilled, then C was born before B. Once you do like this, all the other conditions will be fulfilled. Now we can find what is the answer for this. The number of persons born between G and H is the same number of persons who were born before G and H. G and H, 1, 2, 2 people, and as same as the number of persons born before. That is, the answer is born before. Here it is 2, so that must be F. That must be F. And the answer is C. Answer is C. In which month E was born? E was born in the month of September, correct? How many persons were born after A? How many persons were born after A? 1, 2, 3. How many? That is 3 is the answer. Who was born in the month of May? Out of these figures, who was born in the month of May? Either it should be F or H. F is not given, so H is the answer. Which of the following statement is true? A was born on 20th. A was born on 20th. Wrong. D was born after B. D was born after B. Then G was born in July. Wrong. H was born after D. Wrong. E was born on an odd date. Wrong. So the answer is B. D was born after B is the correct answer. So thank you so much. This question I had to work out for a long time to arrive at the answer, but you candidates must be practicing similar problems and must be able to work out this properly. Actually, here in this problem, there can be two options. One is F on 5th of May, another is F on July 5th. If you work out like this, some of the conditions will not get fulfilled. So the answer for this is will come out to be the sitting arrangement will be like this. They were born like this. Thank you so much. So federal bank exams will be of this stuff. So you have to practice. Thank you.